Hey guys, so we are finally in Wellington. I took the ferry last night, took 3.5 hours. Stormy waters, so it wasn't the best of rides. And Melina took the... she flew. She took the plane. But yeah, that is a TV in the background. I am only in my pants and my hat, and it is a nice day in New Zealand. I think it's the first amazingly beautiful day we've had, actually, since we got here. We've been kind of unlucky with the weather down south, but that doesn't matter. But yeah, I'm going to show you where we're staying right now, fly the drone a bit, and yeah, hope you enjoy it. So I'll see you on the other side of this drone footage. So Melina.
Hello guys.
What do you think of this Parliament Park?
I think that's a really beautiful Parliament Park.
You're not facing the camera right now.
I know that my face is not in the camera, but I wanted to have a look at it on my own.
Alright.
It's not too big. I've seen bigger ones, or ones with flowers which looked colorful, but maybe it's just because of the season, because it's winter here.
Maybe, good point.
Yeah. The park here is not that special, but I think this building here, maybe you could film this. Yeah.
Yes.
This building here is really awesome, and the cream one.
Yeah, cream. I'd say
next to it as well. I really like. Yeah, I think I could imagine to live in here.
What do you think about that one?
This one is not really nice. It just looks like, I don't know.
It looks like R2D2.
Like a great building. It's not compared with this one's, as it's not really nice.
Yeah.
But yeah, as I already said, I could imagine to live in this one. Yeah, that's why I definitely have an appointment with my bank soon, because I'm gonna buy this.
I'm flying high like a bird, but my fluttering wings can keep you from pulling me down. Your mama says I'm a fool, and yeah, maybe that's true, 'cause I can't stop thinking about you.
So that was our time in Wellington, very short-lived, only 2 nights. However, we might be having another night in Wellington if we can't get a bus today. I'm supposed to go see Vaughan today. Vaughan's a guy I played rugby against and hosted back in 2016, I believe it was. We faced the Hacker, which is pretty goddamn awesome. So yeah, it would be awesome to go see him, but don't know, I'm trying to sort out the logistics. Anyway, we had an awesome time in Wellington. We stayed with some really cool people in this amazing house behind us. Well, it's a modern apartment that overlooks the Otari Wilton Bush, I believe it's called, which is out there. That was the drone footage you would have seen. So yeah, I think Wellington is a beautiful city, a lot like London in terms of the architecture. So it was very beautiful, very clean city. Very small though. I mean, we walked through it pretty much in one day, and I mean, there are extra bits. But yeah, we walked along the waterfront. We didn't really do much because everything was like very pricey. A lot of the stuff was, you know, spend half a day at the Lord of the Rings sites for $69, which is about £35. So very expensive, and for me particularly, also Melina, who doesn't really watch Lord of the Rings, like it wasn't really a big deal for us to go and see. And a lot of the other stuff was like, go have a wine tasting day for $250. Again, just too expensive. I mean, I've done all of that sort of stuff in Australia, so it's not like I'm missing out. A bit of a side note, I couldn't afford it. I went on it to film and create a video for Moni at Moni Travels and Colourful Trips.
I got a void that needs filling and some time to kill. Why don't you?
Turns out she liked it a lot, which makes me very happy. But that was our time in Wellington. Short-lived, short and sweet. Yeah, I'll see you when I next film myself. Catch us in a bit.
I don't wanna die for them to miss me. Guess I see the things that they wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that outlive me. They gon' tell the story, shit was different with me. God's plan, God's plan.